Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video on Planet Coaster for my first time recording. Today we are looking at the recreation of the huge one located at Nathan C. Pleasure Beach in the United States. And we're going to look at the ride itself. The game may be lagging because I have too many rides in this theme park, but it doesn't matter at all. The huge one started constructed in 2001 and it being designed and manufactured at the same time. The huge one may cause some problems of the Pleasure Beach, but by building the ride, it caused the airport near the theme park closed down. Because the huge one is that big, it blocked the airline. As soon as it started to build, the wind pressure is very high and it's starting to give problems building the ride. But Pleasure Beach is risking it to build it in that type of weather anyway, because they're really badly to open the ride. The Pleasure Beach already have been started building the ride in early hours, and ever since it takes 2.5 years to build a constructor. In 2008, the construction had finished and the ride's been testing throughout the whole winter break. In 2009, it opened as the tallest roller coaster in the universe, probably and the fastest and the steepest. In 2005, the fastest roller coaster record had been stopped and gave away to Formula Rossa, which is located somewhere else in Pleasure Beach. Then in 2009-10, the ride have lost record as the steepest is located at Paradise Park, called Terminator. For the past 10 years, the huge one has the record of the tallest roller coaster in the universe. As we see here, the huge one station has a wooden barrier around, and as soon as it enters the huge climb, it has this cannon as the Tango Pepsi Max. The Tango Pepsi Max is its own sponsor of the ride. The ride's full-on name is named the Huge One, which is Pleasure Beach's most iconic ride name. It is now Pleasure Beach's most iconic ride, and it celebrated 10 years. Within the new theme song and the new cart. As from there, the new cart has been beginning as the smoothest Tango Pepsi Max since 5 years, and it's been always that smooth since even though it's in the speed of 106 miles per hour and a height of 1,200 feet high, and a feet angle is 60 degrees angle deep. The Pleasure Beach may have a few problems building the ride, but it's finally opened. From that, the huge one have now cost Pleasure Beach £2.5 billion to build. It surely is a big ride, but it's still one of the universe's greatest roller coasters. It is the universe's most iconic roller coaster. It has a length of 18 miles of steel, which is the longest ride ever hauled. The huge one is no longer the longest roller coaster in the universe, even after Pleasure Beach opened a new ride to try to beat the huge one's length. Its success by beating the huge one's length within over 92 miles of steel. The huge one is pretty much a remain copy of the big one at Blackpool Pleasure Beach, but the huge one has more than one turns and more than twice of the day. The huge ones have more than 5 trains, which is in real life anyway. The huge one has two trains in the game. that is it for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will show you more rides after. Bye.